Good morning to the student of 10th class. I again appear before all of you to take new chapter in political science. The first chapter is power sharing. At first we have to know power sharing. Before knowing power sharing, I want to discuss some type of the government. Before 1914 means First World War, non-democratic form of the government were implemented in different countries of the world. So power is fixed in the hand of one person. At that time, the king, monarchy system, dictatorship and military form of the government has council of minister. But last decision was taken by the one person. So power is fixed in the hand of one person. Such type of form of the government comes under the non-democratic form of the government. But after First World War, 1914, most of the countries of the world have adopted democratic form of the government. Without power sharing, you cannot imagine democratic form of the government. So, Montesquieu of France was implemented separation of power, theory of separation of power, शक्ति के पृथक्करण का सिद्धांत was implemented, and as well as according to the theory of Montesquieu separation of power has been divided into three organs of the government. First, legislative, executive and judiciary. But the theory of Montesquieu had been failed at that time because there was not any cooperation one organ of the government to the another organ of the government. It did not obey the order of legislative, judiciary and executive. So Montesquieu thought about separation of power. How will the separation of power be succeed? So Montesquieu stopped the separation of power, theory of separation of power, and thought about it. How will the separation of power, means power sharing, success? So another theory of the government, theory of separation of power, means the Vice theory of separation of power was released by the Montesquieu. Checks and balance theory of separation of power means the executive will have right to check the executive, judiciary as well as legislative, and there will be obeyed the order of judiciary, legislative and executive. On the basis of theory of Montesquieu, power is shared. Today power is shared among the different organs of the government as executive, legislative and judiciary. You know that the parliament in our countries where the laws are made, that is called legislative. The laws which are implemented by the executive, enforced by the executive, as well as the judiciary has power to check the laws which are made by the and implement by the executive and legislatives. So that is called power sharing. Power is shared among the different organs of the government. Next topic, according to your book, the two incident have been happened, Belgium and Sri Lanka. As you know, the Belgium is a small country in Europe, smaller than area of a state of Haryana. It has border with France, Netherlands and Germany and Luxembourg. It has population of little over 1 crore, as half of the population of Haryana. The ethnic composition, this small country is very complex. One of the country's total population, 59% lives in Flemish regions and speak Dutch. Means 59% of the people of Belgium speak Dutch. Another sides, 40% of the total populations of Belgium live in Wallonia regions that they speak French. Remaining 1% of the people that they speak Germans. But you see in other sides, in the capital city of Brussels means the capital, Brussels is the capital of Belgium. So 80% of the total population speak French and 20% Dutch speaking. You see that 59% Dutch speaking whole of the countries and 40% people speak French. But you see in the capital city of Belgium that they speak 80% of French, means it is found the majority of French speaking in the capital city of Brussels and 20% Dutch speaking. The minority French speaking community was relatively rich and powerful. You see the represented by the Dutch speaking communities who have got benefit of economic development as well as education much later. They led tension between the Dutch speaking as well as French speaking communities. As you know that in the democratic form of the government, the decisions are taken, the government is formed on the basis of majorities, either the people who live in any country of the world more. So the government is not based on the basis of language, religion, regions. So let us compare another incident of Sri Lanka. Let us compare to the situation in another countries. Sri Lanka is an island nation, as you know, just a few kilometers of south coast Tamil Nadu, and it has 2 crore people as the population of Haryana states in our country, India. Sri Lanka has a diverse populations also. The major social groups are Sinhala speaking, that 74% peoples, Tamil speaker 80%, and Tamil are 2 subgroups, Tamil natives, that they were born in the Tamil Nadu, as well as called Sri Lanka's Tamils. 30% of the rest people whose forefathers came from Indians as a plantation works during the colonial government, British government. They are called Indian Tamils. As you can see that the map of Sri Lanka, Tamil concentrated in the northeast. Most of the Sri Lanka speaking people, the Buddhist, most of Tamil are Hindu or Muslim. There are about the population of 77% Christians who have born Tamil and Sinhala. Just see you 2 of the incident as Brussels, Belgium as well as Sri Lanka's. So you see in the democratic form of the government government is not formed on the basis of majority of the people who speaks different type of language, any type of language, in the democratic form of the government is formed on the basis of majorities. Thank you.